Hello students, good morning. How are you doing all? I hope you are doing good at home and enjoying also because no schools, no studies, but still studies are going on, you know very well. You have just finished your exams. I hope you have done very well in your exams. Very soon your exam results will be out. You will get your results. So don't worry about your results. I hope if you have done good, so your results will also be good. So this is your moral science class. Welcome to your moral science class. I am your teacher, Harpreet Kaur Kundi. So we will start our next chapter, that is chapter 4, health care. Unit 4, health care. So we will start the chapter with reading and explanation. Health care. This is our chapter 4. So take your pencil in your hand, and whatever I will underline the things, you will also underline in your book. Got it? So let us start with our chapter reading. So first we will read the chapter as we are doing in our class. So chapter 4 is healthcare, preventing infections. How can we prevent infections if it will happen? So first of all, cover the wound as quickly as possible with the sterile or clean dressing. If you will get any wound, any cut anywhere, so first of all our first duty is to clean that, clean dressing. So we need to sterile, we need to wash it properly with Dettol or something, Savlon, clean it, and we should do the dressing. Before applying the dressing means if we need to do the bandage or anything, wash hands carefully. So this point is very important. These days it plays a very important role. As you know that pandemic is going on, coronavirus is there. So the main work, wash your hands regularly. So after every task or whenever you go out, we will come back to your home, so wash your hands properly. So here also it is must that you should wash your hands carefully. It will also be good to wash off the skin around the wound with soap and warm water. If you will get any cut or any wound, so first you need to wash it with soap and warm water. It will clear your skin. Any germs or any bacteria will be there, so that will be removed. Washed it off with the water. Do not breathe, talk, cough or sneeze into or over the wound. Wherever cut is there on your skin, no need to breathe, talk, cough or sneeze on that wound. Next is, as much as possible, keep fingers out of the wound. Do not touch that wound. Keep fingers out of the wound means do not touch that wound. Do not touch the surface of dressing which will be placed next to the wound. The dressing which is placed next to the wound, also don't touch that surface. Make sure a tetanus injection, the main is tetanus injection, so you need to learn the name of this injection, is taken at the right time. So you need to take that injection. You should go to the doctor, consult the doctor and take this injection. It will help to prevent the infection. Got it? Next point. Come to the next point, preventing blisters. So next is, to prevent a blister, use gloves, socks, a bandage or a similar protective covering over the area being rubbed. Wherever your area is affected, you use gloves, socks, bandage or a similar protective covering, so that your blister you can prevent from the blister. Special athletic socks. In the market there are special athletic socks are available. So in that socks extra paddings are there. So for the critical areas where extra care is required. so you can use that also. Try attaching cotton or soft fabric to the inside of the shoe where it might rub, such as the heel. So those who are wearing heels like girls, so they can use cotton or soft fabrics for that. When we shop for shoes, when we'll go for to shop for a shoes, buy a shop, so shop during the middle of the day. There is one precaution is given. See, you should go in the middle of the day. Don't go in the early morning, don't go in the night. So why? There is a reason. Our feet swell throughout the day, so a midday fitting will give us the best fit. Whenever we'll go here and there, we play, we go to school, we roam, we study, we run here and there. So in the whole day, for this activity, our feet get swell throughout the day. तो स्वेलिंग हो जाती है, सो जिसके कारण हमारे फीट जो है साइज़ फिट नहीं होता है. सो अगर हम इवनिंग के टाइम पे जाते हैं तो उस साइज़ का ले ले तो वो बाद में हमें लूज़ होंगे. सो द मेन रीज़न वाई शुड वी गो टू द शॉप ड्यूरिंग द मिडल ऑफ द डे, बिकॉज ड्यूरिंग after the day, at the end of the day, means in the evening or at night, like 6, 7, 8 p.m, so your feet will swell throughout the day. So that's why, so a midday fitting will give us the best fit. Midday means during the afternoon, middle of the day, means 2, 3 o'clock, after 12, whenever you go. But make sure don't go in the sun. These days it's very hot outside, so no need to go outside where you want to go, because lockdown is there, so you should stay at home. So better don't go out of your home. Next is, we should also measure our feet occasionally. So time to time we should measure our feet, because shoe sizes changes throughout adulthood. जब तक आप बड़े हो रहे हैं, आपकी हाइट बढ़ रही है, तो आपके शू का साइज़ भी चेंज हो जाएगा. So you should measure your feet occasionally. When you go to buy a shop, tell the shopkeeper, you just measure my feet. Then only you can buy a perfect size for your shoe. Moreover, we must leave enough room for toes. Be sure we can comfortably move the toes. So when you will wear the shoe, just check your toes are comfortably moving inside the shoe. So there should be enough space, enough room. Room means space. Enough space. Next page. I hope you understand this. Shall we move forward? Okay. Next is prevent cold and flu. How can we get rid of cold and flu? As much as possible, keep away from those affected by cold. The person who are already affected by the cold, try to stay away from them, because it's a common flu cold that you can very easily get from the other person. Get enough sleep and eat well. You should eat properly and you should get enough sleep. So next is eat fruits that contain vitamin C. So these days also, as doctors are saying, vitamin C is very important for the health, so that you will not get infected by the cold, because COVID-19 is a virus which starts with the common cold only. So you should start taking vitamin C. Fruits, you can eat fruits, you can eat liquids, you can eat lemon drink, anything which contains vitamin C. So lots of drinks or fruits you should eat which are having vitamin C. Next, wash hands before eating. Actually, before and after. Wash your hands before and after eating. Washing hands is very important, very, very important. So see, this book is made before the COVID-19 and they have written wash hands. This book, so many of years we are using this book. COVID-19 came just now. now they are saying it means this instruction is already made that we have to wash hands properly before eating, after eating. So not only eating, whenever we go out or we'll come back from somewhere, we should wash our hands properly. It is a good habit. It's not just because of the corona only that we will get sick if we will not wash. It's just a good habit, and it is a part of our hygiene. So this is hygienic way. Next is wear warm clothes. If there is winter, so you need to wear the warm clothes so that you will not get infected from the cold. डोंट बी एक्सपोज टू एक्सट्रीम कोल्ड. अगर बाहर बहुत ठंड है तो बाहर मत निकलो. तो बिकॉज दीज डेज समर गोइंग ऑन, सो immediately don't go inside the room where AC is already switched on. So first of all, sit down in your living room or in your drawing room for some time, get your body be stable, then only go to the room where AC is switched on, already switched on. Fine. Next, stay hydrated. Very important point. Stay hydrated. Hydra word is related for the water. Hydra. In science, hydra means water. So stay hydrated means पानी पीते रहिए, जितना हो सकता है पानी पिए. Let's read it carefully. I will explain this in detail. When sick, sip water, juice and other clear liquids all the day. Whenever you will get sick, जब बीमार कभी भी बीमार हो जाओ तो वाटर, पानी पीते रहो थोड़ा थोड़ा, जूस ले लो, और अदर क्लियर ड्रिंक लिक्विड्स, कोई भी क्लियर लिक्विड जैसे दूध हो गया, ठीक है, ऐसे कोई भी आप वाटर, जूस, ये सारा दिन थोड़ा थोड़ा लेते रहो. स्टेइंग हाइड्रेटेड. स्टेइंग हाइड्रेटेड मीन्स अंदर जो लिक्विड जा रहा है, पानी है, जूस है या वाटर है या फिर दूध है. हेल्प्स योर इम्यून सिस्टम फाइट सिकनेस. उस सिकनेस से लड़ने के आपका इम्यून सिस्टम हेल्प करता है. तो इट इम्प्रूव्स योर इम्यून सिस्टम, मेक स्ट्रॉन्ग. इट कैन ऑल्सो हेल्प लूजन म्यूकस एंड रिप्लेस फ्लूइड्स you lose from blowing your nose. So whenever you get a cold, so in your nose there is mucus that will loosen and replace fluids. It will change into the fluid that will come out from your nose, blowing your nose. ठीक है, नाक बहनी शुरू हो जाती है ना, उसको कहते हैं ये नाक बह रही है. You lose from your blowing nose because you are drinking plenty of water, juice that will change the mucus, means बल्गम को फ्लूइड में चेंज कर देता है वो. फिर कहते हैं ब्लोइंग नोज मीन्स नाक बह रही है. इट इज़ नॉट दैट बैड बिकॉज कोल्ड से जितना नाक बहेगी वो क्लियर होता जाएगा आपके अंदर से, एंड यू विल बी फीलिंग बेटर एंड यू विल get your things very clear, like your headache will not be there. Keep a healthy supply of drinks right at your desk. Wherever you will sit, keep your healthy drinks. Healthy drinks, again it is repeated that water, juice or any other clear drink you need to take. You keep at your study desk or your bedside, so that you after every 30 minutes, after every hour, you can drink that water. Got it? Shall we move further? Okay. I hope you all are understanding it very clearly. I don't need to repeat it. If you will not understand any point, just make a note in your notebook and you can ask me. Fine. Let's start. Prevent the spread of disease. Use boiled drinking water. So डिजीज़ स्प्रेड ना हो तो बॉयल्ड ड्रिंकिंग वाटर यूज़ करना चाहिए हमें. क्लीन्स एंड डिसइंफेक्ट ऑल थिंग्स दैट हैव कम इन कॉन्टैक्ट विद द सिक. अगर कोई भी चीज़ बीमार पर्सन के कॉन्टैक्ट में आई है, उसने टच की है, तो उसको क्लीन्स करो, डिसइंफेक्ट करो. You are using sanitizers these days. So whenever you are coming home, back from your anywhere you are going, and you are coming back to your home, so you are using sanitize, and if you are bringing anything from outside, you are cleansing that and you are disinfecting that. Your mother is doing for the vegetables. So just because to prevent the spread of disease. So this all is related to somewhere with coronavirus. Use vaccination on the advice of the doctor. So if doctor has advised you any vaccination, so you should use. So till now for coronavirus no vaccine is just produced, so but they are trying hard to make produce new vaccine. So we hope that it will definitely come soon. So till then we should be very careful, and we should use these preventive measures so that we can stay safe at home. Don't neglect colds. They are the beginning of many other diseases. Moreover, they are also communicable. अगर आपको कोल्ड हुआ है तो उसको निगलेक्ट मत करो. सिंपल सा कोल्ड बहुत सारी डिजीज़ की शुरुआत है. दे आर द बिगनिंग ऑफ मैनी डिजीज़. मोर ओवर दे आर ऑल्सो कम्युनिकेबल, बिकॉज अगर आपको कोल्ड हो गया है सो other person get also infected from you, because this is a communicable disease. Communicable का meaning होता है that can be transferred from one person to another person. Keep the sick room clean, free from flies, insects, mosquitoes. If a person is sick, so his or her room should be clean and free from the flies. After recovery, cleanse and disinfect clothing and premises. When sick recovers, a person recovers from the disease, so उसके कपड़े और उसका जो एरिया है वो क्लीन करना चाहिए और डिसइंफेक्ट करना चाहिए. Sick children should keep away from the school until the doctor advises the return. जो बच्चे सिक हैं उनको स्कूल नहीं भेजना चाहिए. क्यों नहीं भेजना चाहिए स्कूल? क्योंकि डॉक्टर ने एडवाइस किया होता है सो दैट अगर बच्चा स्कूल जाएगा और दूसरे बच्चों को भी वो बीमार कर सकता है. बिकॉज कोल्ड इज़ अ कम्युनिकेबल डिजीज़, अदर्स विल ऑल्सो गेट इन्फेक्टेड. नेक्स्ट, germs spread. Germs are often spread when a person touches something that is contaminated with germs and then touches his or her eyes, nose or mouth. Germs कब spread होते हैं? Germs are often spread when a person, जब एक person contaminated touches something that is, कोई चीज़ जो इसके साथ जर्म्स ऑलरेडी लगे हुए हैं, कंटामिनेटेड विथ जर्म्स, जो जर्म्स से भरी हुई है उसको लगे हुए हैं. अगर कोई पर्सन उस चीज़ को टच कर लेता है और टच करने के बाद फिर वो अपने हाथ आइज़ को लगा लेता है, नोज़ को या फिर माउथ को लगाता है, तो फिर जर्म्स स्प्रेड होते हैं. देन स्प्रेड गोज इनसाइड अस एंड वी गेट सिक. अंडरस्टैंड? आई होप you all got my point, whatever we have discussed. If you have any doubt in these 2 pages, so you just let me know. We will read these pages in our next lecture. Till now you just read it and make a notes and underline whatever points I have marked in my book. So carefully read it and make the notes in your notebook. In your notebook which we were earlier using, you just start from there and write the chapter name, chapter number and make the notes. And I will send you notes in the campus care. You start writing from there. Thank you so much.